Hello traders, this is Dr. Zainaga from zwinner.com. Here are my forecasts for the week 21st of September until the 25th of September 2020. But first let's have a look what happened last week. The AUD-USD pair stayed within a range. It did not move much, so we didn't achieve our target 1, neither target 2. So now let's look at the Euro USD. The Euro USD, we achieved our target 1. It came down to target 1 and then bounced back, then go down to the target 2. Now let's go and have a look at the GBP USD. The GBP USD also stayed within a range, didn't move much, so hopefully next week we're going to see some action. The USD Japanese yen, we achieved our target 1 as well as target 2, so the traders were quite happy achieving those 2 targets. And then we had the USD against the Canadian dollar, and that too stayed within a range, didn't move much. Then we have the USD against Swiss franc. That pair too stayed within a range, didn't move much. So this is how it was. We didn't trade the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. But now let's go and have a look what's in store for us and what's the forecast for the next week. Here is the forecast for the current week. Here is the AUD-USD pair, and we're going to target to go long, and our first target is going to be 0.7368, and the second target is going to be 0.7417, with the stop loss or the bounce back at 0.7136. Then we have the Euro USD. We're going to sell the Euro USD, and we will be looking at the target at 1.1750 and the second target at 1.1697. Then we will also go short on the British pound against the US dollar. We'll be looking forward towards 1.2765 as a first target and 1.2653 as a second target. Then with the USD Japanese yen, we had a good week last week, and our first target is going to be, we're going to go short. Our first target is going to be at 103.60 and the second target is 103.08. Then we have the USD CAD. Now we are going to go long on USD CAD, and our first target is going to be 1.3261 and the second target going to be 1.3342, and the bounce back or the stop loss going to be at 1.2987. Then we look at the USD Swiss franc. Again, we're going to go long on USD Swiss franc. Our first target going to be 0.9179 and the second target is 0.9219, with the bounce back or the stop loss at 0.8993. So we're not going to trade the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. We just concentrate on these 6 pairs: AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD and USD Swiss franc. So these are all. So I wish you all the best for the entire week. Take care and good night.